This video tells you how to link sensors to the Reslink platform. Watch it to record data and monitor situation on the spot. With the Reslink platform, you can use sensors to receive data from the field. Environment sensors measure such indicators as temperature, humidity, barometric pressure, and light level. Distance sensors measure, for example, container fill rates, asset presence and location, and more. Presence sensors allow you to count people and detect how they move in your spaces. To link the sensors, you need to be granted the tag activation rights in the Reslink user profile. Go to Define, Users, and select Tag Activation. Then open the Reslink IoT app. Tap Register Sensors, scan the sensor, QR code, add the sensor name to the description field. For example, temperature 1. Now the Reslink platform can identify your sensor. Next, install the sensor on the spot and link it to the location in the Reslink web service. Plug in the gateway to the power source and wait when the connection is ready. Then attach the sensor. Tap Activate Sensor and scan the code again. Add the activation note in the description field, for example, instructions on how to find the sensor in the room. Specify the location name and take a picture. Now you install the sensor. You can see the sensor record in the sensor list in the Reslink web service. To monitor the data, click the live chart icon next to the sensor. Now you know how to link a sensor to the Reslink platform. To learn more, check out the Reslink platform documentation at docs.reslink.fi. If you have any questions, contact us at sales@reslink.fi.